Budgeting your paycheck involves creating a financial plan that outlines how you will allocate your income to cover expenses, achieve savings goals, and manage your money effectively. It's a critical tool for maintaining financial stability and achieving your financial objectives. Here at the Wallet Kit, we are going to explore a strategic financial approach to budgeting your paycheck. 1. Income assessment. Begin by determining your total monthly or bi-weekly income, including your salary, wages, or any other sources of regular income. Let's say your monthly income is $3,000. 2. Expense identification. Write down and record your monthly expenses, then organize them into fixed and variable categories. Fixed expenses are those that remain consistent each month. For example, rent or mortgage, utilities, insurance. While variable expenses may fluctuate, for example, groceries, entertainment, dining out. Your monthly expenses may include a rent or mortgage of $1,200, utilities, $200, insurance, $100, groceries, $300, transportation, $150, entertainment, $100, and loan payments, $400. 3. Create a budget. Develop a detailed budget by allocating specific dollar amounts to each expense category based on your income and priorities. Start with essential expenses and work your way through discretionary spending. You can allocate $1,200 for rent or mortgage, $200 for utilities, $100 for insurance, $300 for groceries, $150 for transportation, $100 for entertainment, and $400 for loan payments. 4. Savings and goals. Allocate a portion of your income to savings, emergency funds, retirement accounts, or specific financial goals. Treat these savings as essential expenses within your budget. You can allocate $200 to an emergency fund and $100 to a retirement account. 5. Balance to zero. Ensure that the total of your allocated expenses, savings, and financial goals equals your income. The goal is to balance your budget to zero, so every dollar has a designated purpose. With a $3,000 income and $2,550 allocated expenses, savings, and goals, you have $450 remaining to assign to discretionary spending or additional savings. 6. Monitoring and adjustments. Keep track of your spending throughout the month and make adjustments if necessary. If you overspend in one category, reallocate funds from another category to maintain a balanced budget. For instance, if you overspend by $50 in the entertainment category, reduce spending in another discretionary category, like dining out or shopping. 7. Long-term financial strategy. Budgeting your paycheck isn't just about the current month. It's part of a long-term financial strategy. Over time, you can adjust your budget to accommodate changing financial goals, income fluctuations, and evolving priorities. As your income grows or you pay off debts, you can increase your savings contributions, invest in opportunities, or allocate more funds to discretionary spending without sacrificing your financial stability. Budgeting your paycheck is a proactive approach to managing your finances, ensuring that you align your spending with your financial goals and priorities. It empowers you to make informed financial decisions, reduce debt, build savings, and work toward achieving both short-term and long-term financial milestones.